Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're doing a GLOSSYBOX unboxing. This is the, I'd imagine June, because we're in June now. This is the June GLOSSYBOX, so let's just jump right in. GLOSSYBOX unboxing time again. It is your favourite time of the month. Now we're getting regular videos. It's not so boring now, is it? It might get more than 30 views. So GLOSSYBOX, just really quickly, you probably know, is a monthly subscription. It's £11 a month and you get 5 selected products inside. When you sign up to the website, it asks you general questions. Do you like skincare, makeup, blah, 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 blah. And then it will send you things that it can, that kind of match what you're interested in. And obviously it makes suggestions, whatever. So let's jump right in. So when you get your GLOSSYBOX, it comes in a nice little packaging like this, which says GLOSSYBOX on it. Always good for the thieves. It's only £11, so I hope they don't get their fucking eyes on it, because let's be honest, it's only full of fucking minis and a bit of skincare. You get a nice, really cute baby pink box inside. So when you open up the box, you get this sleeve, which gives you an insert on what it is. So this one is summer skin sorted. So this is going to be very much summer, SPF, blah, 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 blah. So you don't go out there getting red lips, girls. Red lips and red bits, you don't want it. So when you open it anyway, you get this little ribbon inside. It's supposed to be a bow. It never comes, girls. I don't know what I'm paying for, because it ain't happening, is it? And then inside you have the tissue paper and a sealed crown. When you open her up, you get a selection of products inside. So, ooh, it's quite big, this one. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna pull them one by one and we'll go through the prices. So, putting my hand into Lucky Dip, the first product that I've pulled out is this. This is by the brand Batiste. These are the guys that are kind of like renowned for doing dry shampoo. So this is a dry shampoo, and it's called Blush Flirty Floral. I'm a really big dry shampoo fan. I personally am a standby believer in, like, you know, the color matched ones. You get the blonde one, the brunette one, the grey one, the normal one, blah, blah, blah. I personally buy the brown one. I have a couple of cans at home as we speak. What I do really like about Batiste is they have really nice scents. So let's give this one a smell. I'm gonna use it a bit like an aftershave. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's really nice, actually. Got all the dust in here now. That's really, really nice. Got a big old clump of shit on my arm. Looks like I'm a cocaine addict. But that's really nice. Yeah, so basically it's just dry shampoo. I'm not going to explain what it is, because if you want to know, then you're on the wrong video. So that one's really sweet. I probably won't use it. It's quite good for the purse. I might put it in my handbag if I'm on like a day out kind of thing, but I don't think it's one I'm going to rush to, but it's nice to try the smell anyway. So the next product we have is this product. It looks really cute. So it's got cherries on it, cherry packaging. I think it says Ouïe Chérie by the looks of it. I'm not quite sure. Make of it what you will, because I ain't got a fucking clue. It says on here, this is, oh good, this is really good. This is a pH changing hydrating lip oil. I've been in the market for a lip oil for such a long time. Oh, okay, it's by the Beauty Crop. It says on here, you can't really see because of the sun. It's by the Beauty Crop. I recently bought the Barry M lip oil, and that was really good. Like, it works really, really nicely, because I can't afford Dior or Fenty, for God's sake. So we got to settle with Barry M at the end of the day, but it works. Wow, this is gorgeous. So when you open up the product, it has this really fucking stunning packaging. Look how nice that is. It's got these holographic cherries on top with like the baby blue color, and you've got the red, like Ouïe Chérie written on the bottle there. So it's just a hydrating lip oil. I can't really put it on now because I've got, what do you call it, lip balm on. Oh, we'll try it. So it smells like cherries, as you would expect with all the cherry design. I think the formula is actually a little bit blue, you can see in there. This is really, really nice, actually. I'm just going to put it on my lips now, which is always a good one to show off my new lips. Oh, wow. Oh, she's shiny. Look at that. Wow. Oh, girl. Wow. That's really nice. So it's got like a bit of a pink tint to it. You can see, oh, you can't really see it there. It's got a bit of a pink tint. It's definitely darker in reality. So it's tinted my lips, I think, a little bit, which is surprising because the formula's blue, but that feels really good. It's lightweight. It does feel hydrating, but sometimes when you put the oils on, it's really thick, whereas this just feels really nice. So let's find out the price of this one. So this product is by the Beauty Crop. It's a full size. That's the full size product, and it retails for £13. That's not bad. For my Barry M, I paid £6, and this one's nicer. Barry M's is more tacky. It feels more like a lip gloss. This does feel like you're literally putting, like, you know, nice scented sunflower oil on your lips. So it's definitely worth the money, I'd say. It's definitely something I'm gonna get back into. I will probably rebuy that just for the packaging alone. I'm such a packaging queen, like that is stunning. So let's go into the next product. The next product we have here, nice, a really good brand. This one's really worth the money already without the other products. This is Nip and Fab. So Nip and Fab are a really fantastic skincare brand. I've used some of their products in the past, like their serums, their face masks, their moisturizers. Amazing products. They work fantastically, and they're very heavily marketed. Actually, they're really heavily around. So this is a vitamin C scrub fix exfoliating, which exfoliating scrub, which has vitamin C inside it. It says here exfoliates vitamin C scrub to polish and illuminate the skin's surface. So it's supposed to be like a glowy one. I'd imagine it probably has SPF in it as well, like most products do. However, I'm not seeing it boast about having SPF in it, which people tend to do because it's really important, obviously. So when you open up the product, I can't really smell anything just yet. I'm gonna put a bit on my hand and we'll give it a go. Oh, I know why. It's fucking sealed, isn't it? Yeah. So we'll open her up. Probably why I can't smell shit all apart from a bit of fucking tin foil. So when you open her up, I'm waiting for the police to turn up. Probably think I'm drug dealing in the back of Aspect's car park in fucking Bedford, for God's sake. Give me a break. Okay, yeah, that smells really nice. It smells kind of like citrusy, like orange. I'm gonna put a bit on my hand, which is probably a bit stupid really, but we're gonna give it a go. Okay, so it comes out a really nice, like, it kind of looks like mustard. So you're gonna rub a bit of mustard on your skin, girls. Oh, nice and gritty, like my lips are now. Bit gritty, like around my balls, because the summer weather's getting to you in it. You need a shower twice a day, girls, twice a day. So it's definitely, yeah, very like floral, fresh citrus. It smells amazing. It smells good on the hand. I wouldn't say it's really giving me a gritty shine, but it's an exfoliator, do you know what I mean? It's gonna do the job. I'll give it a go properly later on. I might put it on the Instagram, so follow me whichever corner it is. But anyway, this is a full-size product, and this retails for $12.95, which for Nip and Fab is generally quite good. If you're lucky, you might be able to get an offer somewhere, but that's from their website directly. So yeah, I can't really explain more about that. Really nice product. I really love the packaging. It's something that will look good on the bathroom side. That's so important. I'm still so impressed with this lip oil. I'm sorry, I love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I can't wait to show my friend. I'm gonna go meet my friend Alex in a minute, so I can't wait to show. Oh, there's the feds. Can't wait to go and show her. So let's go into the next product. It's food. God, the last thing I need is food. Look, these cheekbones are fucking gone. So the next thing we got here is a brand called Kind. Not sure if that's LGBT. Cute if it is. Love that little nod. If not, unintentional. This is a dark chocolate nuts and sea salt bar. It's 60% nut, gluten-free, high in fibre, no artificial colourings and flavours. Great use of words there, and preservatives and ingredients you can see on the back. I didn't realise that this Patra account, which is my alter ego, my fun place to come to have a chat with the girls, was going to become a fucking MasterChef session, but here we go. So I've actually tried these before. They're nice. I ain't going to try it on camera because I'm not one of them ASMR people. I'm going to start noshing on some nuts in my mouth. I'm going to be noshing on nuts, girls. It ain't going to be the fucking this kind. I'm going to go home to Kings and have a nosh on his. Do you know what I mean? But this retails for, fuck knows. I ain't got it in here. So, oh, we've got 2 more products though. Let's just fucking forget the bar. Cheers for that, Hans. So this is the next product we've got. This is a Eczema Cream. It is, I don't really know, to be honest with you. I ain't got a fucking clue. Oh, he's a drug dealer though. Don't worry about me, guys. Worry about him. This guy's definitely a druggie. Probably gonna offer me a bag of weed. Now thanks, hon, I got a GLOSSYBOX. Do you know what I mean? So this is basically, it says here, for problematic, dry, sensitive or eczema prone skin. It's basically a cream. I don't think I'm going to give this one a go actually, because I know people who actually suffer from eczema and I don't really have an issue, and I've got other moisturizers and antiseptic things and whatever else have you at home, so I ain't gonna really bother with this one. So I'm not gonna open this one, sorry guys, because I feel like someone else can actually benefit from this. It seems like a really good product, so I don't really want to waste it. I'd rather someone I know actually needs it, who has eczema, can use that. I think my sister has it, or my mum has it, so I'll give it to her. But basically that's a deluxe mini for this size one here, to compare it to my head. Oh no, he's got a kid, he ain't a drug dealer, or maybe it might be a drug dealer, who am I to judge? Basically the deluxe mini retails for $2.99 and the full size retails for £4.99, so that's pretty good. So the full size isn't much bigger than this. This is 25 whatever, and the other one is 50 whatever, so it's going to be double the size of that. Boring, innit? You're bored, didn't you? Me too. Let's crack on to the next one. So I need the sun to come out. I look like shit. Come on, sun. So this is the last thing we've got. This is the Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. Oh, we could have some fun with this one, girls. Next time I'm giving Kingsley a massage, you know what's coming out. And basically, so it's Mitchell and Peach full size product. Fuck me. This is full size, 23 quid. I can't really judge if that's good value or not because I don't really buy body oils, but it might be. If it is, let me know in the comments because I ain't got a fucking clue. But basically, I'll try it. But basically, it says contains almond oil and vitamin E. This nourishing body oil leaves skin feeling soft and scented, reminiscent of freshly cut meadow. Oh, what a load of bollocks! Reminiscent of freshly cut meadow grass. This oil is fragrance of English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil mint, and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. So basically, I ain't got a fucking clue who Mitchell is, and you're pretty much gonna smell like you've been working on a labourer site for a day and you've cut a few edges and you got a bit of fucking what's that? Fucking, you know, them big colander bushes, whatever they're called. Got a load of that stuck on you and a bit of grass. So let's give it a crack anyway for the shits and giggles while we're here. So when you open it, oh, it just smells like the fucking seasoning section of Tesco, that does. It's not very nice. I'm not sure I'd want to go around smelling like this. Like I've just done a fucking roly-poly down a hill, for God's sake. Okay, fine. I can see what it's been given away. I wouldn't really use this to advertise my business, but there we go. I'm not a business mogul, am I? I'm just Miss Patra who works at fucking Lidl at the end of the day. Do you know what I mean? So when you put it on your hands, I'm going to regret that. I'm going to fucking have slippery hands and crash my car on the way to go pick Alex up. Don't tell her that, though. When you put it on your hand, let's whack it on there. Oh, fuck that. Yeah, that fucking reeks. That reeks. I'm telling you, that reeks. So it might be nice. If you really, really love grass, then get it, but I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, don't buy that one. But the rest of it's brilliant. I think I must have got so much like value for product there. So I got £3, I'm adding it up as I go. £3, £26, £28, £41, £54 off a product plus my Be Kind sesame seed bar. Delish. So yeah, that's basically what I got. So the sun's coming out and you can't really see me, so we're gonna do this. I'm doing the outro now anyway. So that's basically the glossy box for June of 2021, and that's the end of it. Oh, I recognise him. I didn't realise he did that as a job. Fair play to him, crack on. So yeah, that's basically the end of it. Thank you so much for watching this glossy box. I've got some really amazing products in this one, which hopefully you'll agree are great as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all the rest of that jazz. And I will see you next time. Goodbye, love you so much. Mwah.